Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Mondido payment gateway integration in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This allows businesses to secure process online payment directly within the Odoo platform. This integration supports a wide range of payment methods including credit cards and mobile payments, offering customer a smooth and flexible checkout experience. With features like real-time transaction tracking and automated payment status update, the Mondido connector enhances financial operation and streamline payment management for e-commerce and invoicing workflow in Odoo. So first of all, we will go into the website module, and in here we will go into the editor. Under configuration, we will find a menu for payment provider. Open that, and here you will find a payment provider for Mondido. Open that, and you can see the payment provider Mondido. Enable the state for this, and after enabling the state, you can add the company as per your choice and the website as per your choice. Now under credential tabs, you need to add the merchant ID, you need to add the password key, and you need to add the private key. After entering all this, you just need to save this. Now after this, you can see in the payment provider it is enabled and published. Now we will go into the site and in home page. So here you can see the home page. We will go into the shop, and here we can see the list of the products. So I'm going to add a product 3 set sofa into my cart. Here you can see the product. I'm going to click on add to cart, and here you can see the product is added into the cart. So I'm going to the cart, and here you can see the product we just added into our cart. Now after this, we are going to click on checkout. Here you can see the delivery method is selected as standard delivery. After this, just click on confirm, and in here you need to choose a payment method. So we are going to choose Mondido as our payment method, and we are going to click on pay now. So here you can see you need to enter your card details. So here I will be adding my card details, card number, expiry, and the CVV. Now click on I'll agree to the terms of the service and click on pay. After this, you can see your payment has been successfully processed, and you will be redirected to the thank you for your order page. Here you can see your order number. Under the payment information, you can see that Mondido is your way of the payment. Here you can see the total amount and everything. Now after this, we will go into the editor, and under configuration, you will find a menu for payment transactions. So we will go into that, and we can see the payment transaction we just did. Here you can see the reference, you can see the payment, you can see the amount, payment method, provider, company, and every other detail regarding your transaction. You can also see that it is in confirmed state. Here you will find a button for sale order. Open that smart button, and you will be redirected to the sale order created by your transaction. Here you can see the sale order number, you can see the customer, and under order lines you can see the order and standard home delivery in here. In the chatter also you can see all the history. You can see it is in sale order state. Now we will be hop on to the Mondido account of ours, and in here you can see the dashboard of your account. Here you will find a menu for transactions. We will go into that, and we are going to search our transaction in here. So you need to select the condition from which you need to search. So I will be selecting transaction status. Under that, you need to select the status in which your transaction should be. So my transaction will be in approved state, so I am going to select approved state. Here click on search transactions, and you can see the first transaction is only of our transaction. You can see, open it, and you can see from which card and everything, every little detail of your transaction in here. You can see the amount and the status and the card from which the payment has been done in here. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.